Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this short video we're going to explain how to resolve this problem. See the pilot light on the fireplace? So you can see the fireplace is working, but when you come over and you flip the switch, it's not going to do anything. Look at that. I'll flip this on and off a couple of times and you'll see nothing's happening. Why is that? Well, this is a very cheap solution to a very cheap and simple problem. Almost certainly the problem is this switch. This switch is a normal light switch, and yes, you can pay more money and get a piezo electric switch. Piezo electric, if you don't understand it by the way, is just uber low voltage, or is it amperage? I don't recall which. Either way, this isn't connected to the wiring in the rest of your house. So I'm going to swap that out with this that I bought from Home Depot for 88 cents. Anybody can do this, you can do it. Now let's see if it works. I'm pretty sure it will, but I'm definitely not sure. So just a safety tip here, if you're working on a regular switch, you better turn the power off. And I don't mean turn the switch off, I'm talking about turning the power off down in your breaker. This, however, is just a piezo electric, and you can tell from the really crappy wires that are here. So it's safe to work on. If these wires are broken, pretty easy, just strip back the plastic. You can do it with a number of things, including just an X-Acto knife or something if you're really stuck. Now, if you're not familiar with the wiring, a couple of things. First thing to note is you always put a hook on it, hook it in, and you put it on the way that you're going to crank it down. In this case, and in virtually all cases, it's going to go clockwise to turn it down. And the reason is you don't want that wire to come loose when you tighten it up. And again, I'm just going to remind you, because this is piezo electric, it's safe. If you're working on anything else, this would be really a bad idea. 120 volt won't kill you, probably, but you're not going to like it. So don't do this on a regular switch. You can totally do it on this crap. You can tell because it's this crappy wire. If you put 120 volt through that, it would probably just melt. Okay, now we don't have to screw it back in. Let's just see if this works. So I'll just turn it on. Bingo. Look at that. So, off, on. 88 cents. You can do this. Very safe, very easy. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. Subscribe's also always appreciated. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of us at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca. And or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because it's YouTube and everybody has an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.